Hey, y'all, you recognize who's in this kitchen with me today? My friend, Chef Joseph, that I met at one of my book signings. And I love he.
Oh, I love you too. It's fun to be with you again today.
It's fun to be with you.
Yes.
You got the most beautiful smile I've ever seen.
Thank you, Jesus.
I love looking at it.
Oh, thank you.
Joseph, what we're going to do today is we're kind of thinking about the holidays, you know,
Sure.
Thanksgiving, Christmas coming up. Do you like buttermilk pie?
Oh, I love buttermilk pie.
I love a buttermilk
so good.
pie. It's kind of like am I wanting to say chess pie or egg custard?
Yes.
Kind of like that. But now, y'all, I'm using a refrigerated pie dough.
Which is perfect.
It's perfect. And you see how it's overlapped, y'all. So I'm going to be able to turn that under like that.
It's perfect.
And that's going to give us some height in there that we can, might not have put it slap-kadab even. But that'll give us extra dough to go like this, you know, and just make us kind of a pretty.
And you said you don't like thin pie crust, you like it thick.
No, I like, instead of using a big pie pan for that.
Oh, I see, yeah.
I like to use a smaller one.
Sure, yeah.
Now we can do that. But it just sure helps to have that extra. Or I'll show you the way that my mama used to do it.
Okay.
And by far, it's the easiest.
It looks good so far.
Yeah. You know, I love refrigerated pie crust.
Me too.
Because, you know, you can put it in your real pie plate. And
no one would ever know.
No one will ever know.
No, they'll say, this is the best pie I ever had.
Ever had.
And you just say, thank you.
Yes. I worked hard.
Worked hard pressing it into this pie plate.
Yeah, worked hard.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Okay, so I'm trying to straighten out what I fluted.
Perfect.
All right, now this is the way Mama used to do it.
Yeah.
And that's by far the easiest.
It gives it that homemade feel too.
Yes. But you can do it either way. You can like flute it
or
press it.
It's perfect.
So you don't have the pie part ready yet?
No, ma'am. I'm waiting for instructions. Oh, God.
I thought you had it ready.
No, ma'am.
All right,
so
we're going to mix our sugar and our
flour together. All right.
And whisk it so it's smooth.
Wonderful. All right. So just mixing that together. And then we're adding in what's the next step? Melted butter. Okay. That's beautiful. It's liquid gold.
Liquid gold, honey, it sure is.
It is. It's so pretty.
It is.
Can't have pie without butter.
I'll beat these up just a little bit for you.
Okay. So
I think that was 4 eggs we had. A cup of buttermilk.
Add the buttermilk in now?
Yeah, the eggs and the buttermilk and the vanilla, and we'll be ready to put this in the oven.
I love it. This is so easy.
I'm going to go ahead and
add in our vanilla.
A tablespoon of vanilla.
Is that homemade?
You know it is, honey.
Oh, nothing like homemade.
I love it.
Okay.
You weren't with me. You weren't shooting with me when we made the Madagascar.
No, I did watch it though, because I'm a fan, of course.
Yeah, one's made with bourbon and one's made with vodka.
Vodka, yes. Both are delicious.
Okay, so we're going to bake this for about 45, 50 minutes.
Okay.
And
can I show you a trick?
Please show me a trick. I love tricks.
You know, one of the things that people often complain about is the pie being done on the top, but not being done at the bottom. And so this is a really good trick. Just take your fork and just do a couple of imprints
Now,
in the bottom.
I do that when I'm cooking my pie crust.
You are, okay,
You know,
yes.
it'll bubble up.
Yes. But this will help the bottom of the crust to crisp up to as well.
That's great.
While it cooks.
I'm all in.
Yep.
All right, at 350.
Pour all of this in?
As much as it'll hold, baby. As much as it'll hold. Yeah, see, now if we'd used that bigger pie crust, you'd have had a little pie about
It's true.
that.
It's true. Okay, I don't think all of it's going to fit in.
Come on, a little bit more.
Try.
I got faith in you.
Yes,
honey.
ma'am. Tell me when to stop. I think that's good. I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
I think that's good.
All right, how about we get a cookie sheet?
On cookie sheet? Perfect.
Yeah. I think we might better, just in case.
Yeah, no. And this actually also helps cook the bottom of the crust too as well.
Okay.
When you put it on a cookie sheet. Yes.
Look at that.
It's perfect.
You're going to take it to the oven.
Yes, ma'am, I will.
You're steadier than me because I'm old.
No. You're young at heart.
I'm young at heart.
I love it. Okay, we're going to bake this.
350 for 50 to 55 minutes.
I'm walking real careful.
I just love that we use the fork.
Me too.
Because it brings back so many memories. Mm-hmm. But look at this. This
beautiful.
is a beautiful pie.
It is.
Now we're going to put a cranberry, strawberry glaze on top of it, but it's got to cool completely. So we
That's
can't
right
have a
first.
piece now.
No. It smells so good.
Maybe we can play tiddlywinks or something while we're waiting.
Sounds good.
Are you supposed to eat custard pie hot or cold? I mean, I like it kind of cold, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Buttermilk pie for sure cold.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
Oh, it looks so good.
it smells
You know, we
phenomenal.
could help it cool by putting it in the refrigerator, couldn't we?
We could, yeah. I thought you just said we could help it cool by blowing on it and put it in the mouth.
That too.
The fridge works. Yeah.
Whoa.
Ooh, here. Got it. There we go. We'll put it in the fridge.
Thank you. Come on.
Mm-hmm.
I hope we can find room for it.
Okay.
Right. Now we're going to make the glaze to go on top of our buttermilk pie. Mm-hmm. And it tells you to use just washed, uncooked cranberries. But I decided I wanted it to look more relishy, flat. Mm-hmm. So I cooked half just until they came to a boil. Right. And then I mixed the other half in that are just raw.
Yeah.
Because they're real tart.
Yeah.
Real tart. But I love the pop.
Yeah. The
I
texture.
love the pop that the raw ones do.
Absolutely.
So you're going to get a little cooked, a little
And
pop.
you did put a little, with the cook, you did add a little sugar.
I did.
Yeah.
I probably put 1/4 of a cup of sugar
which is
in there.
perfect.
Just
Help
to
sweeten it a little bit.
sweeten it a little.
Mm-hmm. A little more sugar.
Mm-hmm. They're still very tart.
They are? Well,
Yes, so
that works.
this is going to make it sweeter.
Okay. And this is raspberry jam?
This is strawberry.
Okay.
Oh, no, it is raspberry.
Oh.
I was thinking that we were doing strawberry.
There we go. Which I'm sure that would be good too as well.
You could use any kind you wanted.
Mm-hmm. It's perfect for
I would
holiday.
even, we love mayhaw around here.
I love mayhaw jam.
I'd even think about putting mayhaw.
Yeah, that would make it real southern.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
But, raspberry never has been a big fruit down south.
Oh, really?
Not like the strawberries
No.
and blackberries.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I guess it is a more northern
Yeah.
fruit.
I
Is that real
think it
popular where you're from, Eddie?
Raspberry.
Raspberry? Oh, yeah, there's lots of raspberry vines. And
Yeah. So we're just going to put that.
Looks almost like cranberry sauce.
It does.
Yeah, I
It
like
does.
it.
Have a taste.
Yes, ma'am.
I made the best cranberry sauce the other day. Great.
Don't tell me I wasn't here.
It was so good.
That's very good.
I got an
like
uncooked raspberry.
Oh, I did not.
It's so tart.
It is. No more sugar.
Like delicious.
But it is. It's delicious. It is.
So hurry up and cool, Buttermilk.
Yeah, so we can eat you.
Well, here we go. Hello. Our buttermilk pie, y'all.
Mmm.
And how about if you and I just kind of split a piece?
Oh, yeah. That's
because
perfect.
I've eaten so much today. If you just let me have a bite.
And I don't even need a lot.
Well, you know, I told you need and want's two different things.
It's true. Yes, ma'am. Oh, that looks that's perfect.
It's
absolutely perfect. It's gorgeous.
All right. Now we made our relish and I think our cranberries to go on it. And I think I told you how I did it. Did I tell them?
Yes, ma'am, you did.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
I cooked half the cranberries.
Oh, it's perfect. It's very holiday.
Very.
Thanksgiving.
I got a peanut in my throat.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's very holiday.
Yes, it is.
So
beautiful. Shall I try it?
Of course.
You know what my favorite part of the pie is? This back part right here, where the crust is.
I did too. Look at that beautiful pie. And see, with us putting it in this smaller pie shape pie pan, see, it made it nice and thick.
It is delicious.
It is good.
Delicious.
All right, I'm going to come down here where I just get my buttermilk.
I ain't even pretending. It's so good. It really is good.
You're not pretending.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. You know, when I'm pretending, I'll go. People say, is it good? I'll go. I won't even say anything. But when I am vocal, it's the real deal. I love it. I even like it warm the way it is. It's perfect.
It is delicious.
It is. Perfect pie.
And that was fresh cranberries and raspberry
jam.
Could I borrow one more little bite?
You can borrow as much as you want. It's your pie.
I made it for you.
Oh, well, I'm very, very thankful. So much to be grateful for. It's delicious.
It's so good. And this is perfect for Thanksgiving or
Excellent.
Christmas.
Yes, yes.
Especially if you use this topping. Or you can just use fresh whipped cream.
You can, yum.
Just buttermilk pie is good. I don't care how you eat it.
It's true.
Eat it naked or topped with fruit.
I'll always remember
I prefer
that.
to put on my clothes.
Me too.
I don't like eating it naked. Thank you, Joseph.
Oh, it's my honor. I love you. Mwah.
Love and best dishes, y'all.
Bye.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.